Wait, is this thing on? Alright guys, my name is Enzo and I want to welcome you to the official Mopar Militia YouTube channel. This is the channel we're going to be dropping a lot of content on. I am one of the affiliates for the Mopar Militia crew, group / family now. Be sure to stick to this channel. We're going to be dropping a lot of content. But so far, in order to inaugurate this event, I want to say thank you for 100,000 followers, over 100,000 followers now. In order to launch this channel with some fire, we're going to drop how to do a wide body install in under 10 minutes or pushing 10 minutes. Alright, so the kit we're going to go over, it's going to be the AVS wide body kit. It is a cool kit in the aspect that you do not need to drill into it. It's not like the Liberty Walk where you have to drill into your fenders. It does come with some clips, add-ons that the kit includes. I'll be sure to go over all of that stuff, and especially for someone that doesn't want to drill into their car, or you want to return it to the dealership for whatever reason, you want to take the car parts off and then sell them, you could definitely do that with this kit. Won't harm your car. You won't have to be stuck with it forever. You could always go back and remove it. As the video goes on, I'm going to let you guys know the differences between installing it on the 8 to 14 and then the differences between the 15 and up. Be sure to stay on to the video. If you have any questions, drop a comment. So let's get on to it. Alright, so your kit will come with this rubber seal. So what you're going to do is you're going to just follow it all along the outside of the fender flare. And then my personal recommendation would be probably add some glue, little dots here and there along the edges so that it doesn't come off. Just keep in mind that the thin side should be facing inward. Alright, this kit comes with 4 clips that are joined from 2 pieces but will only be used for the rear fenders. You will be inserting one of the clip pieces into the second clip via the small square opening in the center. You know it is done correctly when you see the space created from both clips. The space is what you will be using to grab onto your rear wheel fender lip by placing it directly on that space. And you will hear a snap if you have done it correctly. The snap makes the space smaller and so grabs onto your wheel lip. Alright, grab a tape measure and measure 10 inches from where the rear bumper and body meet and measure inwards towards the wheel lip and mark the location. I used masking tape for example. Once you mark this location, use your tape measure again and measure another 15 inches horizontal to that first mark and mark again. This is where the second clip will go. Now insert the clip spacing directly onto the wheel well lip and snap into place. Now do the same for the second clip and snap into place. Also remember to remove the plastic rivets along the sides of the wheel well. Then grab 2 of the screws that came included with the kit. I also recommend purchasing some washers for additional support as they are not included. These screws will be screwed upward into the clips. Grab the fender flare and move it into place. The fender flares have pre-drilled holes underneath and will line up where your clips are. Now grab the screws and slowly screw them upwards into the clip opening and through the fender holes. The holes in the clip should be lined up for easy access. Grab a Phillips Screwdriver and tighten the screws evenly. Now grab the plastic rivets that are included and insert them along the sides of the wheel well in the stock holes on both sides of the wheel well. I recommend purchasing some sturdier plastic rivets than the ones included. There's a link for the ones I use in the description below. Alright, so there you go. This is going to be for the 2015 and newer Challengers. For the previous model, you do need to drill upwards into the lip as your guys have a larger lip on the Challenger itself.
Now the front is even easier and faster. All you have to do is simply insert some plastic rivets into the stock rivet holes on the top of the side of the wheel well. There's 2 on the top and another 2 or 3 on each side of the wheel well. Once you place those plastic rivets into place, you're all done. And with that, the front flare is installed. Know that this kit was designed for the smaller stock lip instead of the larger lip that usually comes on the RT, Scot, and Hellcat models, meaning that you will need to cut into that larger lip in order to make it fit. I use a small electric saw tool and a sanding tool to make it work on mine. And that's it, how to install the AVS Widebody kit in 10 minutes or less. A follow-up video about the pros and cons and additional tips of the kit will be coming soon, as well as a comparison video between this kit and the Icon/Big kit. Remember that there are direct links to everything in the video description below. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for future video uploads. Alright, later guys.